Carne asada, dude.
How are you doing, sir?
Amazing. How are you?
I'm good. Just dealing with some deals and dealing with some upset bills.
Fuck yeah, dude. Let's go.
Sir?
Um, cool. Anything you want to hyper focus on?
Yes, definitely.
Cool. What is it?
Can I share my screen?
Yep.
Okay, so here's all the deals I'm working on right now.
Mm-hmm.
We're building and building, which is awesome. This one is closing today. This one is buy for 140, hopefully sell for about 260. Might be the biggest deal yet. Hopefully it goes well. That one's cool. This is another one. It's a buy for 120, sell for about 200. So the deals are starting to get bigger, which is exciting. And I think once I get one of these closed on the sell side, I think the business will start rocking because I could send a lot more mail and I could help with hiring and stuff like that. So business is growing, which is really good. And so that's that. But I wanted to go over, where is it? Because I don't know how to do all this stuff. Because there's at this point there's so much data up in the Airtable that I'm like starting to get almost overwhelmed with the ideas that I have. But I think like they're definitely possible. Like for example, like this is what we were discussing. If you remember, we were discussing this. I'll show you. There we go.
Yeah. Yep.
The land calculator. So I wanted to add that. That's number one. Like for example, this is the numbers on one of the deals. Please load. Come on. So it's buy for 120, um, and we're gonna list it for 205, and these are most likely the closing costs. Like they're generally around this much, and marketing costs is also part of profit. So this is what we're looking at in terms of profit. Something that I want to be able to do is have all this information in the Airtable, or at least like projected. So like I could say, okay, projected profit is between 20 and
All
30,000.
right. We got 30 minutes. Say less. Let's rock this out, man. Sorry if that was rude, but you got me excited with this one.
Yeah,
Um, cool. Calculator. Boom.
a bunch more in the tasks. The only reason, and I know that I'm not supposed to jump on these all so often, but the only reason I do is because I feel like so much of the stuff isn't applicable to me.
Yeah.
Uh, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Check this out. Delete this field. So what's really cool is the linking fields functions. So if
This-
we want to go to, is it
I
in leads or is it in deals?
can't see your screen.
It's in what?
I can't see your screen.
You should be able to. I'm sharing. Boom.
Okay.
Boom.
So I think uh so I feel like it would be better if it was in like if it was in deals or results. Like here, I'm gonna put this here. Too.
I've got an idea. So let's just do this with deals.
I'm gonna put the link to the calculator in your chat just in case you need to see any of the formulas.
So we can confirm this and look up field. And the data that we want is there's purchase price, and is there something else from the deals that will help with this calculator?
Something else from the deals that will help from this calculator. Something that I want to add is so click the calculator link I sent you or say something. It'll help it explain.
1 second. Date added. Time. Uh, user.
Mhm.
Okay. And let's grab one of these deals. Purchase price. Let's grab this calculator. Boom.
So if you see by
Total, yeah, total net profit is a calculation, right? So we have purchase price, and do you have marketing costs in the deals section?
no,
Okay, so boom,
so
marketing.
so in this calculator, um, the whole another part of the what I want to see is I want to be able to, if you see there's realtor fees and there's also lender. So the lender's going to make 12,000 if we sell it in a certain amount of days. And obviously the realtor's going to make 8% of that sell price. I want to be able to link the realtor to that, and I want to be able to link the lender to that because I want to be able to know how much money did this lender profit off me in the last X amount of days, or this realtor. Like I want to know that, and I also want to know how much money is currently, like how much debt we're in. You know what I mean?
Lender, realtor, spelled that wrong. Realtor, link, contacts.
Can I record?
Yeah, it's recording right now for you. But go ahead. Realtor, boom, lender, boom, link to contacts, boom, perfect. Skip, okay. And what are the inputs? So what do you put in and what's spit out here?
Oh, the inputs are purchase price, and list price.
And list price. Is that on here as well?
No,
List. Oh, you have that on there.
yeah, it is. But
Cool. That'll be good. Less typing things in. Okay. What any other inputs?
purchase price.
Purchase price, list price, marketing costs?
Blue. Yeah, so marketing costs, yes, I started, used to be a formula, but now I'm gonna change it to just be whatever I need because generally it costs about $2,000 a month for postage, then 5,000 mailers. So whenever I buy a new deal, what I'll do is, as of right now, we're buying about 2 or 3 deals a month, right? So I will raise an extra $2,000, quote unquote, for marketing costs, just in case like I need to send more mail.
Mm-hmm.
So
And then closing cost is a calculation, right?
closing costs normally is around 2,000, but I think I want to raise that to 3,000 because lately it's been more expensive. So
So
that's what
will that be a manual input or a calculation?
I think we should manually input that just because whenever I get a closing statement, they'll tell me it and I'll add it and I can be able to project what our profit is a little bit better.
Okay, closing costs, um, currency. Okay, cool. Move this over here. Boom. And total needed, is that a calculation? Yeah.
So that's pretty much how much the lender needs to fully fund. Like
So what's the calculation here? Is it adding these things up? Okay, it is. Perfect. So this will be total needed, which will be a formula of
can you name that total lend?
total lend, which is uh, marketing costs, right?
Let me pull it up.
Plus closing costs,
P2, which is
right?
P2,
And
yeah,
purchase price.
purchase price, and then it's B4, so closing costs. I would say it's, I don't really know what that means on the, I would say I think it's purchase, purchase price, marketing costs, closing costs. Yeah, I think that's everything, honestly.
Cool. And then in here, just make sure in formatting you change this to currencies. So it's a number, boom, and that'll be automated. Perfect. Boom. Let's move this over here. And improvements.
So improvements are pretty much just like if we buy a piece of land and we say, I want to put a fence in front of it. So that'll cost X amount. I think that could be put in there. That could be manual. Generally, I don't do improvements, at least now, because I'm still, the business is still a baby.
Yeah. And realtor fee.
I just tried pitching somebody to join the community, by the way.
Fuck yes, dude. I love it. Are you coming to the event?
Yeah, I'm in Israel.
Oh yeah. Yeah, next one, Miami.
I'm in Miami right now. I'll be there.
Oh, that's easy for you. There you go. Fee, boom, percent.
Okay, so
Perfect.
I have a question about this part because if you go to the land calculator, go to it for a second.
Yeah.
See that. Okay, so I don't know. I guess it's view only for some reason. But whenever when you click the realtor fee and you click on the right of it, it says 0.08. You can click it and choose 0.06, 0.010, pretty much like each deal. Like we work on with different with different realtors. Sometimes one realtor will cost eight. They'll charge 8%. Some will charge 10%. Some will charge 6%.
Mm-hmm.
Understand? So is there a way we can do that? Where, like we can choose?
I mean, yeah, we could,
Or I could
but
just put that manually in like 0.6.
yeah, it doesn't make too much of a difference here. It's a possibility, but it wouldn't make that much of a difference there, I don't think. What do you think?
Um, I think it does make because a lot of times deals don't sell for exactly what you want them for. So it's like these are projected profits.
Yeah,
So like every decimal, I'm starting to get really into the numbers. Each decimal makes a difference, or each number makes a difference.
yeah, let's just get version one up here. So you don't have the list price on the deal, so that would be a manual. Wait, do you? Yeah, listing price. Okay, you got that. So,
I would love to see this with like
okay,
the deal that we're buying today.
list price. So how is this calculated? So list price minus 5%. Cool. What's that for?
So if you see list price and sale price, list price is what the agent says we're gonna sell it, what we're gonna list it for. I like to think of it that we're probably not gonna sell for what they say. So let's say we sell it for 95% of what that is.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
for 205, we'll probably sell it for 194, just because we want to be as conservative as possible.
Cool. Currency. Um, so I'll have that. Um,
Wait, isn't
and then
go back?
realtor fees is B10 times B8. So realtor fees, and then you take the number from the sale price minus 5%.
Well, you times second realtor fees B10, so that's that times B8, which is 0.08 times 0.08. So it's times whatever they charge. So it's like if they charge
Yeah.
8% on the deal, it's times 0.08.
So is it from the list price or is it from the list price minus 5%?
No,
Because
so
Because in this one, it says that it's taking from the list price minus 5%, or do you want to take it from the actual list price?
um I want to take it from the sale price.
From the sale price.
Because that's
So,
what we actually think it's going to sell for. Like, yeah, we're going to list it for $100, but it'll probably sell for $95. So we're going to say you're taking 8% of $95.
right. So we'll just do this. Boom. Um, times realtor.
Realtor fee.
And there we go. Then this will come out to be a currency. Boom.
So are we able to, I don't remember what we said. Are we able to make the realtor fee interchangeable?
Like this, 8%. Boom,
That's sick.
that, cool. And then this will make a land, um, whatever, I'll just put that in there for right now. Formula, land, okay, go, okay, cool. Here, status. Actually, discard. We'd probably want this, the lookup field, the status from the lookup field too. That's good to know. Have that there. And let's add these over here, over here, over here. Okay. Status. Boom. To do in progress. Boom. Calculated. Boom. Go. Group this by status. Boom. In progress. Cool. And let's call this calculator. Boom. Interfaces. Boom. And let's add a page.
You have to 135.
Boom. And calculator.
You have till 135.
Yeah, I can go a little bit over. Calculator. This is gonna be really cool.
So hyper. This is gonna be so helpful.
And then boom, allow this to open up. And then total one price. Less price. Purchase price. These are gonna be manual inputs. These are manual inputs. Boom, lender fee, realtor, boom. Status.
We're so sick.
Boom, baby.
You probably love doing this.
Yeah, because I'm good at it. Here we go. Boom. Okay, cool. Got that. List price, realtor fees. Total net.
Okay, can we go back to the calculator for a second? I think it might be a mistake.
Oh, wait, I want to do this. Edit data. So total net profit. Boom, formula, which here is B10 minus B11. So B10 minus realtor fees minus total needed,
Which is the total rent.
minus closing costs. And you don't include marketing costs in here?
Marketing cost is part of profit.
So let's just do this one step at a time. So B10 sale price minus 5. So price.
Yeah, can we rename that to sale price, by the way?
Yeah. Minus
The 11, which is realtor fees.
realtor fees.
And then minus, I think, total lend.
Minus total lend. And then what? D4 closing costs.
That makes sense. I think closing cost should be, is closing cost manual?
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay, cool. Then let's let's do this. Currency. Okay. Total profit. Realtor fee. List price minus 5. Okay, lender, that sort of stuff. Okay, cool. And then we can duplicate this. Boom. By lender group by lender. Boom. Put the lender over here.
Boom. Already as a lender that's tagged to it. Should that already automatically be tagged then?
Yeah, we can do that. Look up lender. Boom. And then we can look up realtor. Boom. And then that's all automated. Just take this stuff out. Boom. And take.
This is because the Aiken deal I ended up quick selling it to somebody and we didn't sell it on the market. That's why some of the numbers are skewed. Maybe you could do it on maybe you can add another one. You see all the numbers will be filled out.
Lender. Boom. Okay. And then
yeah.
By real group by realtor. And then you can see all their realtor fees. Boom, up here. Let's grab the realtor contact. Realtor fees. Boom. That'll be good. Boom, we still need to add this data in here though. Boom. 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 Okay, cool. And then on the interfaces side, let's take these out. Boom, delete. Boom, delete. Let's add in realtor.
Why is there 2 realtor fees?
I'll get that fixed. And then lender. Oh, not that one. Lender. Boom. Then let's go and add the total profit. Boom. Up here. Boom. Okay, and then in here, that's good. That's good. That's good. Cool, 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 cool. Let's go in here, total profit, all that stuff. Realtor fee. There's realtor fee percentage, realtor fees, and then realtor fees. So one will be called realtor fee percentage.
Or you can call the other one realtor profit. Realtor profit fee, you can call it.
Cool. And then, so realtor profit. Okay. Cool.
We call list price sale price.
Right here, this one. List price minus 5.
Can we call it sale price? That one's actually, yeah, can we call it sale price minus 5%?
Yep.
Yeah, makes a lot more sense.
Okay. Cool. So now you just put in the marketing costs, closing costs, and improvements. Everything will calculate out properly. We're gonna add these up here. Boom. This up here. Those are the numbers you gotta put in. Okay. Boom. Let's duplicate this and just say boom. Data. And let's hide this. Hide this. this, hide this, anything that's not a formula. Boom, hide.
We can sort of project pipeline profit. I guess we can call it pipeline profit, right?
Let's see. So let's do this. Boom.
Yeah, one second, I'm moving myself.
And search by land, lender, and realtor. Let's copy this from calculator. Perfect. Okay, cool. Sweet. We got your calculator. So here you go. You can open this up, put in these numbers. You just select the land that you're looking for. So boom, select the land.
Yeah, can we add one right now? Let's see. Let's do no, let's do lot 68 Highland Shores. Right there.
Which one?
Oconee, South Carolina, 9.58. Oh, okay, right there. Nope, that's it, right there. Or any of the Oconee ones.
What is a coney?
It's a county.
This one?
Sure.
Okay. Boom. Then we can open this up. What are the marketing costs?
I don't remember what I did. Probably like 2,000. It was around 2,000.
Closing costs?
Let's assume the closing costs were like 2,700.
Cool. Improvements?
None.
Realtor fee?
6%.
Cool. And you got all the numbers right here. Boom. What we can also do is add this stuff. Boom. Number. In calculator. Total net profit. Sum. Money. Total net profit.
I think there's something wrong because of
Yeah, total lend. Boom. Duplicate. Realtor profit. Business. Real total profit. All right, let's see. It's probably something in the calculations. So probably something in total profit. Is it total profit that's off?
Take out the Aiken deal, delete the Aiken deal because that one we didn't even list, we didn't even look at. So delete that one. Add another deal. I want to see. Delete this one and add another deal. Let's see.
All right, which one?
Scroll to the bottom. Click that Coney deal. The one, yeah, click that one. I'm gonna go into it and I'm gonna add what we're listing it for.
Starting at that.
Listing this, where is the listing price? Okay, listing this at 64,000. Added it.
And then what was the marketing cost?
2,500.
2,500. And the closing cost?
Check. Closing costs are what does it say? Just do 2,700 for now. I'll find it in a sec.
Okay. 2,700. Okay. Improvements?
None.
Realtor fee?
Realtor fee is 8%.
Okay. So was that an $82,000 profit?
It definitely could be.
Cool.
I think the deals tab in data, I have to really clean that up. It's really messy, I think.
Cool. So what we can do is add a button here. Boom. To go straight to the deals tab.
Okay.
Go to interface page, deals, boom, open up a new link, and then tree, boom, deals, which will be helpful. And then this is really cool, man. So we can go in here, boom, click on this, boom, and it will open up that data so we can add in more things. So the purchase price,
Noticing.
yeah, realtor, contact, lender, contact. Let's make sure we can click these on and go to them.
Do you have them automatically be added or no?
What?
Are they automatically being added, the realtor and lender contacts?
I don't think so. Let's see, we don't need the SA agreement at the top. Purchase price, sale price. And what else is the critical data to put in here?
Status is important. This is for the deals tab.
Yeah.
I would say purchase price. I would say, yeah, realtor contact, lender contact, um, listing link is important. Acreage, so acres. Listing link is important, so we can pull that up. This should help.
Boom. So you can add any of those in there.
Yeah, I can go.
Now what's really cool, you can just do all of this from the calculator tab of like, oh, I'm missing listing price, purchase price. Yeah, so let's go in here. Boom. Listing price, purchase price. Let's make sure those are in there. Boom. List price. Boom. Purchase price.
Okay. Yeah.
There we go. Make those editable. So those are really easy to find. Just put those up at the top right now. Boom. So if you're missing those from here, then you can easily put those in and change them right there.
I think. I think I could also play around with it and see how.
Yep.
What are your thoughts? What do you think? I think it looks really sick.
Yeah, I think it's dope and pretty easy to use. Like you just go in here, you put in this bad boy, uh,
do one of those.
that one.
Go back. Let me choose one. Let me choose
Yep.
none of the Florida ones. None of the Florida ones. Go down a little bit. Do Dry Rock Road on the bottom. Bottom. That one.
So this one is missing the listing price. So this is really easy now. I can go in here, hit the land, and put the list price in, which was what?
Do 200,000.
Okay, cool. And then that automatically saves over to here. So we got the list price in there now. And then what are the marketing costs?
Marketing costs are probably going to be, what did I even say it was? I think it's going to be 2,000. I don't think I'm going to do as much. I'm looking at 2,000.
Okay, closing costs.
For the cost, probably 2,700. No improvements. And then realtor fees are going to be 8%.
Okay, sweet. So cool. Then we got that. Boom, that's in there. And then the other thing here too, do you have who's the realtor? Is it Jack?
Jack's the seller.
Okay,
Realtor for Anderson is going to be Matthew. You can just look it up. Look him up. Matt. Yeah, Matthew.
cool. And then the lender,
Trey. Trey.
Trey?
Yeah, Trey. I'm
Oh, cool.
he's looking at every deal. I'm almost getting nervous, but he keeps saying, "Give me everything."
So so now we got those people in there and the data is cleaned up and boom, you have everything in here. And then for looking up, yeah, Trey being the lender, let's see. If I just want to look at his deals, I can click him and these are just his deals. If I want to look at somebody else, we need to put somebody else in there, but yeah, got all that.
Yeah, I mean, this is such important information to see. Another thing that I'm seeing, you go to AI.
Actually, one more thing, which would be pretty cool. What we could do is put this on the side and then boom, add elements, add a chart, boom, and then see this by total profit by deal, which would be pretty cool. So calculator, boom, and do this by land, boom, and total net profit sum, boom, get a number up at the top, boom, total net profit by deal.
Let's say projections, because it is a projection. You never know what's going to happen.
Projected total net profit by deal. Boom. We can do this sort by group by stage status. There we go. That looks pretty sweet.
Is
Yeah,
wow, this is fucking awesome.
fuck yeah. And then you can go straight to the deals there as well. Boom. See all that stuff. Beautiful.
Yeah, the deals are getting up there. They're starting to move. I think once like one or two of the ones close, I feel like I'm going to be in a really sick position.
Let's go, dude. I fucking love it. What do you love most about this?
I think you've turned me into a psychopath of like, literally having every idea, and I want to turn it into the Airtable. I mean, and I want to know my numbers at all times. Like, I want to know. I think most people don't know these things because they're not like they're more like they're not, I don't know. I'm very into the numbers, and I think I want to know like okay, Trey lended me $1 million this year. How much money did he make on it? Like, that's important numbers to know.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever you talked in, how about how many deals I did with Matthew, how much money he made off of us. Like I want to know everything possible.
So what might be a little bit cooler is boom, this being grouped, boom, since that's important, group by lender,
Yeah, I would definitely say that's
boom. And then let's just put the status up here, boom.
why don't
And
we why don't
these are calculated, boom.
when you say calculated, what does that mean? Like it actually
So
sold it?
you might put things in here that don't have all the information in there yet. So we don't want to be like, oh, that's the official number. So this will tell you that's the official number. Like if it's not fully calculated, it will be to do. So most of these should get to the point of fully calculated as fast as possible, but just to make sure that we have the right number in here. Like if the numbers are off, it would just be in progress, right?
The total. So could we do? Is there a way to find out how much Trey is set to profit on us total?
Yeah, right here.
No, he's the lender. The lender.
Oh, so what's this? Sorry, I'm totally missing this. What's this by?
Wait, here, can I share my screen real quick?
Yeah.
This part. I don't think we added this part. Now that I remember. We didn't add this part, did we? So I want to explain this part. So the way that we lend on deals is we don't have any interest rate. So there's no interest rate like every month. How it works is we buy a deal with Trey, for example, and whenever we sell that deal is how much percentage he's going to make. So the way we set it up is if it sells in the first 1 to 120 days, he'll make 10% on his money. If it hits 121 and goes to 240, it's 12%. And 240 to 365 is 14%.
So
And then
you have realtor fees and you have lender fees, correct?
I guess I would call it lender profit more like, or lender percentage profit, or yeah, because this is, and then we could do what you did with like the realtor percentage thing, which is
Yeah.
like,
So that's simple. Um, so in here, we don't want to have all that stuff on the side, just like lender fee percentage, boom, percentage, boom. Then put that over here, cool.
so sick.
And then here for, just grab this over here, under fee percentage. And then what's the calculation for that?
Um, you're saying for the lender,
Yeah, so there's lender profit and there's realtor profit, right?
right?
Profit.
The lender profit, it depends on when we sell it. So the it goes from 10% to 12% to 14%.
Yeah, so that's good. You just put in the lender fee percentage for when it's sold, and then you get the number out of that. So here, let's say 12% when
This
they
is
sell it.
so fucking sick, Andrew.
You got that. So wait, yay. So here, um, let's just add this in here.
Oh, cool. God.
And what we also want is lender profit, lender fee percentage, editable. And then we want lender profit
Yeah, this is crazy.
here,
This is really crazy.
here, and yeah, then you have those numbers there. Perfect. And then add in these two things here. Boom. This next to this next to this. total. And realtor profit total under profit sale minus 5%. Just duplicate this. Duplicate this. Boom. Shake. Lender profit. Add this up. Lender profit. Boom.
This is the coolest shit ever.
Sweet.
Do this for days. I mean, I can watch you do it.
Fuck yeah.
There's more shit
There
I
you
want
go.
to do, but I don't want to like blow your head off.